Join me as I challenge myself to eat nothing but tangerines for a whole week to see how this superfood affects my health. Tangerines are often overlooked, but they're actually a delicious fruit that not only pleases the palate but also offers numerous health advantages. We live in a world where people are constantly plagued by health issues, such as low immunity, poor skin health, and chronic inflammation. And the truth is, a lot of these problems can be addressed through diet. What we put into our bodies has a direct impact on how we feel, and it's crazy how many of us neglect to prioritize our health. We're so caught up in our busy lives that we forget to take care of ourselves, and it's only when we're faced with a health crisis that we start to make changes. But it doesn't have to be that way. By making simple tweaks to our diet, we can boost our immunity, clear up our skin, and even reduce our risk of developing certain diseases. The standard Western diet is often high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can lead to chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. And this is exactly where tangerines come in. These tiny fruits are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, making them the perfect addition to a healthy diet. But why do we need to prioritize our health in the first place? Well, the truth is, our health is our most valuable asset. Without it, we're unable to live life to the fullest, pursue our passions, or even spend quality time with loved ones. And it's only when we take care of ourselves that we're able to truly thrive. Tangerines in particular are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for supporting immune function, heart health, and digestive health. But what really sets them apart is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are like superheroes that fight off free radicals in our bodies, reducing our risk of developing chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. The effects of tangerines on digestion are particularly impressive. The high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements, while the antioxidants and flavonoids reduce inflammation in the gut. This can lead to improved symptoms for people suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, bloating, and digestive discomfort. But what about skin health? Well, tangerines are like a natural glow-up in a fruit. The antioxidants and vitamins in tangerines help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, leading to clearer, brighter skin. And the best part? It's not just about vanity. Healthy skin is a sign of a healthy body. I personally can attest to the benefits of tangerines. I've been incorporating them into my diet for a few weeks now, and I've noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels and skin clarity. It's amazing how such a small change can have such a profound impact on our overall health. So, what can we take away from all of this? Tangerines are a nutritional powerhouse that deserves to be recognized. By incorporating them into our diet, we can improve our immunity, support our digestive health, and even combat diseases. And the best part? They're delicious, convenient, and easy to add to our daily routine. Thanks for joining me on this journey to explore the incredible benefits of tangerines. If you're feeling inspired, I encourage you to try adding them to your diet and see the benefits for yourself. What's your favorite way to enjoy tangerines? Do you have a favorite recipe or hack for incorporating them into your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about superfoods and how they can transform your health, be sure to check out my next video.